to make your vagina prettier. Having trouble keeping your vagina youthful looking and pretty? Then this video is for you. All women sometimes feel unsure about how pretty their vaginas look. But the good news is there are ways we can delay the aging process and keep our privates looking young, healthy, and beautiful. Are you ready to discover how you can keep your vagina pretty? Okay, well, pay full attention, take some notes, because here we go. Number 1, use gentle soap. Avoid using harsh, fragrant soaps. Scented soaps can cause skin irritation and allergic reactions on or around your vagina. Number 2, Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises help strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, creating a tighter vagina and making sex feel better. Number 3, keep it safe. STDs like venereal, warts, and herpes can destroy the appearance of your vagina and your overall health. Prevent STDs by using a condom. Number 4, drink water. Keep the skin on your lady parts hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Water keeps your vagina moisturized, young looking, and healthy. Number 5, cushion bike seat. Bike seats may also cause friction and can actually stretch your labia if you're not careful. When riding a bike, make sure you use a cushion. So there you have it, the techniques and ways that create a healthier, more beautiful vagina. But if you'd like even better and more powerful results that lead to a more beautiful vagina and better sex, you'll want to use V-Tight Gel. V-Tight Gel will help you naturally tighten and contract vaginal walls, immediately restore lubrication and eliminate dryness, restore vaginal moisture and suppleness, all leading to better, more enjoyable intimacy and a more beautiful vagina. So make sure you click the link below to get V-Tight Gel. There are even better ways you can have better sex, boost your confidence, and improve your overall sexual health. I put together a free ebook guide that shows you how you can naturally tighten and lubricate your vagina while also achieving more pleasurable orgasms. It's 100% free. You can access it immediately by clicking the link below in the description or by typing into your browser www.naturalsexyhealth.com. Again, you can type into your browser www.naturalsexyhealth.com. I hope to see you there, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, share and like this video, and leave a comment or question below.